Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord's oil. First, gather your new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool to the touch. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process, allowing you to work efficiently and avoid any unnecessary delays. Once prepared, place your drain pan beneath the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. While it drains, inspect the drain plug and consider replacing the crush washer to prevent future leaks. After the oil has drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Carefully unscrew the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter onto its housing until it feels snug, but do not over-tighten it. Now, securely reinstall the oil drain plug. Using a funnel, carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick and look for any leaks around the drain plug or filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.